I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony earphones to your laptop. First, ensure your Sony earphones are fully charged and placed into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a button until an indicator light flashes. Also, confirm that your laptop's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. Keeping your earphones close to your laptop will help ensure a smooth and quick connection process. Next, let's access your laptop's Bluetooth settings. Open the Settings menu, which you can usually find through the Start button or by searching. From there, navigate to the Bluetooth and Devices section. This area manages all your wireless connections. Finally, click on Add Device to initiate the search for new Bluetooth accessories. Now it's time to pair your earphones. Once your laptop detects your Sony earphones, they will appear in the list of available devices. Select your specific earphone model from this list. If prompted, confirm the pairing request on both your laptop and your earphones. A confirmation message should then appear, indicating a successful connection and that your audio is ready. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try restarting both your Sony earphones and your laptop. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure no other devices are currently connected to your earphones, as this can prevent a new connection. If problems persist, consider updating your laptop's Bluetooth drivers for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.